In Cairns. Someone stole a helicopter. They broke into the place, knew where the keys are, stole the helicopter and crashed it on top of this hotel. He died. Very unusual. Not many people steal helicopters. I don't know what, maybe this is the helicopter coming down in this skip. It's a big story. Set fire to the hotel. All the people. Oh, everyone was here for the Japanese festival a few days ago. Now they're here about to see what's about to come down here. I guess it's going to be one burnt, smashed up helicopter. Sorry, ma'am. That lady looked like Meryl Streep. I don't think they're going to take that wrapper off. Look at everyone. Big story in Cairns, a lot bigger than my boat story. Cairns, where people steal helicopters. I'm going to put it straight on that truck. They are. You're not going to see anything. Breaking news on Cairns lobster.